This is an ancient and serene country in Indochina. The mysterious smile of Angkor Wat. Once known by the name of the Pearl of Asia, Phnom Penh, Cambodia. In 2013, TAIEASY International Company Limited 158 factory was set up at kilometer 158 on National Road 5, covering an area of 1,120,000 square meters. Our factory and all our colleagues adhere to the excellent quality, creativity, environment, sustainability, and reputation first concept. Diligent and hard-working. Now there are a total of 6 garment factories. 128 production lines, 4,356 machines, and printing, embroidery, and garment wash supporting factories. With a total of 7,000 employees and the annual capacity of 70 million pieces per year. And we are acquiring ILO, CTPAT, RAP, organic, and many other international certifications from third parties. Since its inception, we are committed and specialized in development of mixed knit and woven set products to provide customers a full range of services. Accessories warehouse. Factory will follow AQL standards to check the accessories received. TAIEASY laboratory technicians are well trained and certified by BV third party. They will perform in-house shrinkage test, color fastness, pH test, FR burning test, and crocking test for fabric, embellishment, and final product following buyer requirements. Factory will follow buyer information to perform sample making and draft the marker. The factory will conduct the fabric testing and 10% fabric inspection for each dye lot before cutting. Automatic cutting process. Printing factory. Embroidery factory. Garment Washing Factory. Sewing section using one-piece flow for flexible adjustment of the line balance. Stable quality and increasing efficiency. For child and baby wear products, we will perform 300% checking on buttons and snaps for safety reasons. The on-time productivity reflects the current status. All final products will go through the needle detection process 2 times before the carton is sealed. The factory has quality certification auditors to conduct final inspection before shipment. There is continuous refresh training of all kinds for individual departments and related workers. The factory organizes the voluntary clinic service every year. And organizes sporting events to enrich staff amateur activity and enhance staff cohesion. For the sake of worker welfare, Factory 158 voluntarily distributes 10,000 kilos of rice each month to all workers. With your full support, we will work hand in hand to make TAIEASY 158 Factory more strong and unique. Thank you.